The tech industry's mass layoffs in 2025 remind me of Karna's tragic arc in the Mahabharata. He possessed extraordinary skills, unmatched loyalty, yet was abandoned repeatedly, first by his mother Kunti, then cursed to forget his weapons when he needed them most. Talent without timing, you see, is tragedy.
आर्या जी, ये मिथोलॉजी नहीं, ये कैपिटलिज्म है। गूगल ने 12,000 निकले, मेटा ने कट्स किए, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट भी पीछे नहीं। These engineers aren't cursed, they're cost centers on a spreadsheet. Karna had destiny against him, these folks have quarterly earnings reports.
Ah, but consider the parallel deeper. Karna's guru Parshurama cursed him because he discovered Karna lied about his caste to gain knowledge. Similarly, these companies championed learning cultures and growth mindsets until the interest rates changed. The promise was conditional all along.
Okay, that's dark but accurate. Sundar Pichai says we hired for a different economic reality, मतलब वो भी बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा स्किल सेट टैब यूजफुल था, अब नहीं। लॉयल्टी एक तरफ, बैलेंस शीट एक तरफ। बट करना एट लीस्ट फॉर टिल द एंड, ये लोग तो ईमेल से ही निकल दिए।
Precisely. And here's the deeper shop, the curse. Karna's chariot will stuck in the mud at the worst moment. Today's engineers find their skills obsolete mid-career. The AI tools they built are now replacing them. They've become victims of their own Brahmastra.
भाई, ChatGPT को इंजीनियर्स ने बनाया, और अब ChatGPT उनकी जगह ले रहा है। That's not irony, that's straight up cosmic trolling. करना को तो सिर्फ एक धोखा मिला, इन्हें अपने ही क्रिएशन से धोखा मिल रहा है।
Yet Karna remained a Danveer, generous to the end despite betrayals. Perhaps the lesson isn't about avoiding curses, but how we carry ourselves when the wheel inevitably gets stuck.
True. Grace under pressure beats golden handcuffs any day. Whether it's Kurukshetra or Cupertino, the real measure isn't who survives the battle, it's who keeps their integrity when the ground shifts beneath them.